How to buy WAGMI CTO token. So this token came under the symbol of WAGMI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before we go on buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on AutoSnipe. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under this Solana. So we're gonna open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap here, make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this auto token, click on it, and after that say how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you can go and buy this token. You will be able to access Jupiter provider page to go to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or customer, because most issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a WAGMI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.